Children, now 4th class mathematics. Take out your mathematics notebooks and textbooks. Open your page number 61, textbook 2, 7th chapter. Equal shares and equal groups. Open it, children, fast. Okay, opening. Take out. See here. Equal shares and equal groups. You know, equal shares and equal groups. Sharing, you know. Your mother giving any chocolates or any fruits will taken. Sharing only your brother and you. Same like that only. Here also same. Rajita's father makes candles at home and sells them. See here. Rajita's father makes candles at home and sells them in the market. Rajita helps her father in packing the candles. On Monday, father made 30 candles. He asked Rajita to pack the candles in packets of 5. How many packets will Rajita make? See here. She divided. So, in what said her father? 5 packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each packet to 5 candles. So, 5, 5, 5, like that only. So, she prepared. How many packets will it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups to she divided. Rajita divided to the 6 packets. In each packet to 5 candles. So she made 6 packets. Same like that only. See here. If father had asked Rajita to make the packets of 6 candles, then how many packets would she make? So, in each packet to how many candles? 6 candles. How many candles? 6 candles. In each packet to 6 candles. So, total how many? 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is one packet. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, another packet. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Observe it. In each packet to 6, 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 24 only. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, in each group to 6, 6 only. One group, how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups to divide it? 5 groups. Understand? So, here total, how many having? Total is given 30 candles. So, in each group to 6, 6 candles. So, total how many groups? 5 groups. Understand, children? Same. Here also same. If father had asked Rajita to make packets of 10 candles, then how many packets would she make? Same like this only. 30 divided by 10 equals to 6 5s are 30 only. Here divided in each packet to 10. 1 packet to 10, 2 packets to 20, 3 packets to 30. So how many packets? 3 packets. 10 3s are 30 only. Same here. See here. And this on Monday only. Next now. On Tuesday, father made 24 candles. Here Rajita to pack the candles equally in 3 packets. How many candles will be there in each packet? Rajita divided to the group. See here 3 groups to dividing. 24 divided by 3. So in each packet too how many candles will come? 8 candles. Same like that only. If father had asked Rajita to pack the candles equally in 8 packets. How many packets? 8 packets. Here 3 packets. Here 8 packets. Then how many candles will be there? So total candles 24. How many packets? 8 packets. In each packet too same. 3 8s are 24. 8 3 here 24 divided by 8. In 1 packet to 8, 2 packets to 16, 3 packets to 8 3s are 24 only. 3. Understand? Your multiplication tables will come means this one very easy. So you learn it multiplication tables also. Okay? If father had asked Rajita to pack the candles equally in 12 packets. Then how many candles will be there in each packet? Same. 24 divided by 12 equals to how much? 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. Like that only. Understand? See here. Same. 8 people can sit safely in a jeep. If 48 people need to be taken from a village to a fair, then how many such jeeps are required? So how many jeeps are required? Here total how many? 48. Divided by, in one jeep to how many members sit? 8 members. So learn 8 table. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are how much? Say 8 6 are what? 48. So 6. Understand now how to write? This one first answer. Understand? This one first answer. Same like that only second one. You only do this, okay? I am explaining, you do. Very easy only. 6 oranges and 54. If 6 oranges cost 54 rupees, then how much does 1 orange cost? Very easy only. See here, 54 divided by 6 equals to how much? So in 6 table 2, how many times to come 54? You write that, okay? Understand now? Here third one. There are 42 children in a class. If an equal numbers of children are sitting in 7 rows, then how many children are sitting in each row? So first, how many children are having total? 42 children. How many rows is there? 7 rows. 42 divided by 7. In 7 table 2, how many times to come 42? Read now 7 table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. Good. 7 6 are. Understand now? So here write 6. Here write 6. 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. 6 7s are 42 only. Understand now? Here also same. The product of two numbers is 56. Is one number is 7. Then what is the other number? So one number is 7, total 56 only. Two numbers, product of two numbers 56. So one number is 7, another number. So in 7 table to 56. Read 7 table. Children, again I am saying you read multiplication tables, okay? You learn first. You learning means these problems will come. You don't know means not will come. Okay? Daily 2 tables practice do. Okay? Multiplications tables. See here 7 table learn. Say 7 table now. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. Good. 7 eights are 56. Understand now? Like this we'll write. Next one. Divide and multiply. See children, second one is homework given I am. This second question, I am giving some hint. Okay? You write this answer. Next one. Divide and multiply. Here giving, see, 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. So how many balls is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many balls is there? 12 balls. 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Here, saying I am before only. 2 6 are 12. Here, 56 divided by 7 equals to 8. 8 sevens are how much? 56 only. Same like that only, here only given. Same, see. First of all, total, how many stars is there? Once you count. Count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many stars is there? How many? 18. First of all, you write 18. Divided by, in each row to how many having? How many having? 3. 18 divided by 3. How many groups dividing only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. 6 threes are? 3 6 are? 18. Understand now? Understand? Same. This one also same. See here. What is this? Cups, teacups. Same. Write first. How many teacups is there? Count it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many teacups is there? 16. Write 16 and which symbol now? Divided. Division symbol. So, in each row to how many having cups? Each group to 4. So, total how many groups having? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups having? 4 groups having. So, 4 fours are 16. Understand now? This one. What is this? Eggs. How many eggs is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. How many? Total 36. So, write 36 divided by in each row to how many having? You count it and write how many groups are having? you write. Okay, same like this only, you write this one. Okay, understand? This one you only do. Okay, understand children? You only do this. Okay children, now divided. See here given divisions only. So you know divisions. See here first of all. Divisions. Here given in fact when we can check whether division is correct or not. Multiplying, Sudhas has checked her division by multiplying like this only. See here 84 divided by 4. 84. Like this only giving. This one is 4 is what? Divisor. What is this? Divisor. 4 is divisor. 84 is, what is 84? 84 is dividend. What is 84? Dividend. Dividend. What is 84? Dividend. See now. So 4. First of all, you take this number or this number. One space or next space. This place to take. This side to first number will take. 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 12 is a big number. Is not there only. 4 twos are 8. So here write quotient. 4 twos are 8. Understand? 4 twos are 8. So here what to do? Addition or subtraction? You know all the children. So here we do subtraction only. 8 minus 8. How much? 8 minus 8. 0. So in first number will complete it. Next, second number will take and substitute here. Okay, here. Which number is this? Second number will take and write here. What is that number? 4. 4. In what table to come 4? How many times to come? 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. So here write 1. Don't forget, okay? Quotient first will be right and next substitute here number. 4 ones are 4. Here we do what to do? 4 plus 4, 8 only. No, don't do addition here. In division do continually subtracting. Understand? That one only called division. 4 minus 4 equals to 0. So 84 divided by 4 equals to how much? 21. Understand? This one is quotient. 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 Understand children? Don't forget. Remember this spellings also. Divisor. Divisor spelling what? Divisor. Divisor. Dividend. Understand? Dividend. Dividend. Quotient. 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 Understand? Once you check. How to check we are doing solving the division. But that is the answer is correct or not? Once you check it. Check. How to check? See. 21. How much quotient? 21. First of all write 21. Divisor what? 4. 4. So you do multiplication. This number will come. Divided will come. This answer is correct. Not will come. That answer is wrong. See here. 4 ones are 4. 4 and 8. Okay? See here, so 84 divided by 4 equals to 21 and 21 into 4 equals to 84. Understand, children? Understand? First of all, don't take first ones place. Here to start, okay? This first number will take next number like that, okay? Same. You write this. Already given only this. I am explaining next question. Okay? Already this question only books to having. So next one I will explain. Understand, children? So I will do problem C. First one. Do this problem. In do this problem to having divide and check by multiply. Divide and check by multiply. A 75 divided by 5. 75 divided by 5 is given. First of all, how to write? 5 here. 5 is divisor. 75 is divided. Quotient is here. Okay. What is this? Divisor. Spelling D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor. 5 is divisor. What is 75 here? Divided. Spelling D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Divided. Upon quotient. So you wrote D-I-E-N-T quotient. Okay? You do first. 5. First of all, which number will take? This number and this number. First this side to first number. 5, 7. 7 is big only. So in 5 table 2, once you check 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 is big number. 7 is only small number. So take 5 ones are 5. So 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5. Again saying I am don't do addition here. Do subtraction only. Okay? 7 minus 5. How much? Say 7 minus 5 how much? 2. Good. Next number will substitute here. 5. So now become 25. In 25 will come in 5 table 2. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are good 25. 5 fives are 25. Now what to do? Addition and subtraction. Subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So quotient what? 15. Check once. This one is correct or wrong? Okay. 15 quotient plus divisor. Divisor is what? Which number is divisor? 5. 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 is here. 2 is carry. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2. 7. Understand? 75? See here. So 75 divided by 5 equals to 15. And 15 5s are 75. Understand, children? Okay. You first of all you learn multiplication tables. Daily 2-3 tables you learn and do practice. You learn. You don't know tables means you don't solve these problems. So first of all you learn tables. Okay. See here. I am saying daily 2 tables. Okay. 2 next problem, B problem, see, same like this only. B problems also same. 84 divided by 7. 84 divisor divided. You write is compulsory. Quotient see here, 7 ones are 7. Here substitute 14. 4 will come in 14. 7 twos are 14. 4 minus 4 0. 1 minus 1 0. So once you check it. Check. 12. Quotient is 12. Divisor is 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1 8. 84 will come divided only then 8. Okay, so 84 divided by 7 equals to 12. 12 into 7 equals to 84. Understand children? Same third problem, C problems. You homework do and come, okay? Homework 96 divided by 6. C problem homework do and come, okay? Okay children? C problem homework do and come. Multiplication tables practice do and come, okay? Solve it, okay? Write it this.